Mendoza, a 22-year-old stunner from Quezon City. She's into jazz and ballroom dancing. She dreams of becoming an international beauty queen someday. Super Serena #1 believes in the saying that a person who lives his life to the fullest knows the essence of life.
We only have one life, so live our life to the fullest. Good afternoon, Dabber Cats. My name is Maggie Wilson. 21 years old ang Super Serena ng Navotas City na nag-iiwan ng katagang kapag patay ang TV. Malamang walang electricity. Thank you.
Super Serena #2, Kim Sato, is a 24-year-old businesswoman who loves to sing the songs of Regine Velasquez and loves to watch movies with her friends. She's into modeling and is a firm believer in the saying, the value of time is measured by how you spend it.
Hello, Dabber Cats, all the way from Caloocan City. Ako po ang tuwing kasama nyo tuwing hapon. Ako po si Maxine Magalona, ang nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang masama po daw mag-asawa ng umaga, eh di sa gabi na lang para bongga.
Super Serena #3, Kim Lao, is a 27-year-old dance instructor from Pangasinan. She plays badminton and loves baking cakes and pastries. Super Serena #3 is into dancing and hopes to perform internationally someday.
Magandang tanghali, Dabber Cats, all the way from the home of 100 Islands, city of Alaminos, Pangasinan. My name is Valerie Concepcion na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang dahan-dahan lang, pook, paaralan. Maraming salamat po.
Sila ang ating Super Serenas for today.
Mamaya, be amazed sa mga exceptional talent and wit na ipapakita nila. Sa pagbabalik po yan ng Super Serena, dito lang sa Eat Bulaga!
Super Segunda, Queen of Asia, Queen of Tourism, Queen of the World. Who will reign as Queen of the Sky? Super Segunda. Super Segunda. Jose, Wadi, Paulo, and Riza. Ngayong Super Saturday, 11:30.